What's up, online shoppers? Are you looking to up your coffee game? Well, I certainly am always open to trying new products, and this one here caught my attention when I was surfing looking for some inspiration. So this is the VitaCup Genius Coffee, and the focus for this one is actually energy and focus. And it comes in these pods, so you can actually use it in your Keurig machine or any of the other pod-based coffee makers. If you're curious already about VitaCup, I can tell you from looking on their product page that they have a bunch of different flavors and kinds of coffee, probably about 10. So if you're interested in drinks that can do a little bit more for you, something like this or some of the other features, you should definitely check it out. Now here is a list of all the good things in this coffee. It's made of Arabica coffee. It has this in it, it has that in it. Vanilla flavor, yum. This, some of that, these, this, none of those, none of that. And look at that. They use this material to make their product, and that's a feel-good element right there. Now, I love the convenience of coffee that comes in a little pod, so I was automatically a little bit more interested in making a purchase. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm definitely going to brew us a cup at the end of this. And I also like that this little box has one of those neat lids that just pops out like this, so you can peel it back and keep it in your cupboard organized by flavor. Now this is what the pods look like. You can see it's clearly labeled on the top, so you're not gonna get mixed up with any of the other kinds of coffee. And by the way, I fully intend to try all of them because I am a coffee lover and I'm always open to trying something new. So I think that this is really interesting, and I love the presentation. I love the ethos of the brand, the idea behind the coffee, and adding all these extra great things inside for you to try to up your coffee game. So let's brew a cup and see if it is as good as I hope it is. We've talked about the features, but now I have to give the coffee a try, so let's make some. I've got my trusty little Vitamin single serve pod coffee maker. So let's pop one of these guys in here. The nice thing about the Vitamin is it is pretty much universal. It takes any size Keurig pods, you just pop them in, add the water, close the lid, and turn it on. The little blue light tells me that it's brewing. Now I particularly like this little coffee maker because I find that if you're using a big amount of water, the coffee doesn't taste as strong, and I really like a strong cup of coffee. You can see it's already starting to brew for us, and it's a nice dark rich brown color. I think this is going to be fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to trying it. Now if this is as good as I hope it's going to be part of my regular routine to help me do this, and that's a good thing. Of course, another great thing is this one here is done brewing in under a minute, so you never have to wait for your coffee to be ready. That little steamy noise tells you that the coffee maker has gotten to the end of its water, just finishing with the last couple drips. And the other great thing about this little coffee maker is it's going to shut off when there's no more coffee left. Blue light is off. Coffee is ready to enjoy. It has a really nice vanilla scent. Now, I like my coffee black, nothing added into it. So it is a little bit hot when it first comes out. So we're gonna let it cool for a minute, and then I'm gonna have a big drink and I'll let you know what I think. Time to try the coffee. Like I said, it's got a great vanilla scent. It's very good, actually. I like the vanilla flavor in it. It's a nice, gentle vanilla flavor. Sometimes it's overpowering, it doesn't taste right. This is a nice, gentle flavor. The coffee doesn't taste weak or watered down. It tastes strong. And that's often the danger with the pods, is you don't get like a good, strong coffee taste. And I really like this. Yep. Now, whether or not it helps my energy and focus, I'm not sure of that yet. I'm gonna have to try it for a while and come back and let you know. But I love the taste of it. I love the ethos of the brand. I love the flavor of it. And I love the convenience of it being in those little pods. I can just take it with me. I travel a lot, and sometimes I don't like the coffee they have in the hotel rooms. So I will definitely be tucking this in my suitcase to travel with me. From what I've seen so far, I'm pretty certain that the VitaCup Genius Coffee is definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house. Cheers. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.